y'all, welcome back to the tutorials, and for today's experiment, we're going to be creating a blue pigment known as Persian blue. Now, Persian blue is mostly used in printing industries. So for our first step, we're going to go ahead and get a test tube, fill it with half water, and get 1 spoonful of ammonium iron sulfate. So we get a spoonful, we want to go ahead and dump it into the first test tube. Now, once we've done that, we need to go ahead and secure our chemical. So for our second step, we're going to get another test tube, again filled with half water. And this time, we're going to get some potassium hexacyanoferrite. So, now once we've opened this, let's go ahead and get another spoonful and dump it into our second test tube. Now once we've done that, we want to go ahead and secure our chemical again, and we'll set. So for a recap, we have water filled with ammonium iron sulfate, and we have a test tube filled with water with potassium hexacyanoferrite. Now, we're good. Now we want to go get a little pipette here and get 10 drops from our first test tube, and transfer it into our second test tube.
A paint maker named Johann Diesbach created Prussian blue by mistake in 1706. Diesbach was actually working on making a red pigment. Unfortunately, he ran out of lye, so he had a colleague lend him a substitute. But instead of the desired red, he ended up with a blue pigment. The lye was evidently contaminated with something. From this accidental discovery, Prussian blue later became a huge success. Prussian blue is still used today, such as in printing inks, carbon paper, and in the plastics industry. In analytical chemistry, the Prussian blue reaction is a method commonly used as a test for iron.
As you see here, it turned blue, and this is the blue pigment I was talking about earlier, which is Persian blue. It's very cool. It's a blue pigment. Yeah, it's so cool. And as soon as I placed a drop of it, it immediately turned blue. And can you believe this beautiful pigment was found by accident by a painter in 1706? When he was trying to make a red pigment, he made a blue pigment. So it was a very cool experiment making this Persian blue. It's so cool. Do you like that? It's Persian blue. So yeah, it looks so cool. Hope y'all enjoyed. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you guys next time.